All right, yes, where we are, we've got Tyler, Papa Larry, Jen, Joey, and Robert. We're at the Venetian Cove Marina. Get ready to go. Got a nice premium pontoon boat for our ride today. Papa Larry, Jen, Tyler, and Joey made it today. And we got our captain, Roberto, and we're just now leaving the marina. Beautiful day. It's actually nice here on the water, even though it's cold. The high is 62. It's probably not even 62 yet, but here we go. Okay, we're just going into the dead canal, and cold day. We're still bundled up. It's a little chilly coming across Lake Harris, but now we've got the sun on us, and we'll go slow for a little while, going through the canal, but it's all good. We're just now getting ready to leave the dead canal, and it's been nice going slow because the sun has made it comfortable. And we're gonna leave this. We're getting close to where we're gonna pick up speed, and we're gonna go through the Dora Canal. Hey! And just the Dora Canal. There's the tree that's either decorated with Christmas or with Mass or with whatever. So still has some Christmas stuff on there. And here we go. Got to make sure that our canopy does not. Yeah, there's 4 bridges, and one of them. Here we are in the Dora Canal. Beautiful winter day. Absolutely gorgeous. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yep. There's Tyler and Jen. There's Joey. There's Robert and Papa Larry. Jen's getting some pictures. How pretty it is. Okay, we're just leaving the Dora Canal and we entering Lake Dora. Oh, that's a pelican there. Yeah. Yeah, those are buzzards. Is it? I don't know. Okay, anyhow. Now that house is for sale right there if you're interested.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh, the bird on the boat. See that house right there, the for sale sign? Nice dock. If you imagine the view. Yep. It's got a beautiful dock. Yeah. Yeah, this is Lake Dora, and we're gonna pass. There's like a where you could rent like a building and do like parties and stuff over here. And they've got restaurants. There it is. See over there, that big building? It's got glass, if you like weddings and stuff. And then they have where you could rent kayaks and sailboats and jet skis over there, and restaurants. But we're gonna go all the way to the very other end where the actual Dora, Mount Dora like town is. Yeah. Made it to Mount Dora. We just got off the boat. We're getting ready to go into town. Aw, look how cute everybody looks.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
All right, and we're heading up to get a lake pad. Copacabana Cuban restaurant in historical Mount Dora. And we're all right now having some Cuban bread with some cool sauce. We ordered plantains and rojo veja and lots of other cool Cuban stuff. Oh, and margaritas. Oh yeah, toast. Let's all have a toast to being together. It's been a while. Yeah, it is. Yay. Alright. Okay, we just got our food. Oh, look at this. All this wonderful Cuban food.
Looks
Yummy. Oh, look at my plate. So good. Well, we had a wonderful dinner at Copacabana, and now we are in the Dora Canal heading back to Venetian Cove. And it's just beautiful. And since it's kind of cooler today, there's not a lot of boats out, so we really could enjoy the scenery. I think everybody's enjoying themselves. It's like Tyler fell asleep. Jen's recording. Papa Larry's totally enjoying the scenery. Robert's over there doing a good job driving. Joey's just glad to be here. But it's just beautiful.